Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S80 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll down a little and tap on sound. Now let's tap on advanced. In order to show whole ringtone section, we can change the ringtone for calls, and we've got two options which are attached to the call ringtone. They are divided between two different SIM cards, but also we can change the ringtone, the sound for the notifications and alarms. Let me show you how to do it using, for example, the first SIM ringtone. It doesn't really matter. After tapping on it, we can see the defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, we can set none, so it means that after picking this option, your device won't notify you about any incoming call. So I'm not really sure if it is the best option to choose. What's more, after tapping on add ringtone, you will be able to pick something from your own files, for example, download it. If they will be compatible, they will appear right here and you will be able to set them as a ringtone. But let me get back and let me show you how to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, because it is quite important to check it before setting it. So all you have to do is to simply tap on it, and as you can hear, you will be able to listen to it. It's quite loud. So if you're happy with your choice, all you have to do is to simply make sure that it is marked, like in my case this one, and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about any incoming call. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your DOOGEE S80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.